Hi, it's JoElla, Milan licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to talk to you and give you some tips about how to firm your neck with my Ultra Firming Mask Kit. This kit is so great, so inexpensive, and you can get about 3 or 4 treatments from it. And I wanted to give you an idea of some things that you could do. Now, for the sake of time, I've already put it on my neck. I mixed it up according to the directions and applied it to my neck. And what I did now, the neck and the jowl area all along here. Now, this mask, I've used this for, 30 years, I'll have to say. When you put it on, it gets very hard. And the kit's designed for the face because it will make you look like you've, really had a lot of rest. You look great when you use a mask. And I highly suggest that you use it at least once a week. If you, in the beginning, let's say you're going to a wedding or something, do it twice a week and then once a week. Now for the neck, this is something, you could do this once a week, even before you get ready for work. And it could be not only, let's say if you have a saggy neck. Mine looks bad right now because I've got the mask on and it's dried up, so it's made it, my hair sticking to it, and it's stiff there. But put it on the neck, or you could, same thing, if let's say you have issues with your eyes, baggy eyes or wrinkled eyes, just mix up a little bit and put some under the eyes. Anywhere on your face that you feel like you have issues. And, get up in the morning and put it on and then go around for 20 minutes or whatever make your coffee or whatever you want to do, and then rinse it off. I like to rinse it off in the shower because it's easier. It's much easier to rinse it off in the shower. But if you do it with a sponge, you can do it that way too. So it's a great spot treatment for the neck and for under the eyes, or anywhere that you feel, even in here. Let's say if you lost some weight lately and you feel a little bit loose in there, this will help. Because I know a couple years ago I lost 30 pounds and I got really soft looking in there, and this just tightened it right up. So I'll do that. So you can see now, it's pretty much dry. I put it on about 20 minutes ago. And I put it on thinner than usual. If you mix it up and put it on thicker, it gets thicker and a lot more wrinkly than this. So I put that on. And then what you want to do is rinse it off. I always wet it first. Get it wet. Don't just start wiping. Get it wet. It makes it come off easier. And you can even go down into your chest area. I did just a little bit, but not a lot. And I always say it takes like another day. Like now it'll look good, but tomorrow it'll look really good. It always takes another day. So let's say if you're going to go to a special party or something, do it the day before. So the results are just much better the next day. Same thing when you get a facial. You always look good the following day. But see, I did the neck area and the jowls. And you can make a treatment out of this if you have more time. It just depends on what you're up to for the day. If you're going somewhere, or if you have a little spa time at your home that you want to do. I could really feel this on me yet. You want to be sure to get it off, because if you don't, you'll be able to feel it on the skin. So you do want to get it off. Oh, that feels better. Okay. So I've gotten it off, relatively so. Now that you can do, several different ways. Let's say if you're going to be going to work soon, or wherever, if you're off for the day, I like to rinse that off and then use some of the JoElla Milan Capture Youth water and just, spray it and just really rub it in, because this firms and tones also. So rub that in. And do it before you go to bed also. Like, I'll wake up tomorrow and my neck will look gorgeous. So spray that on. And then also, I love this JoElla Milan 24 karat gold oxygen cream. 24 karat gold plus oxygen. So it's a gel, a gold gel that you just would put on your neck, and the same thing, it really firms and tones and lifts, and it just gives you a beautiful neckline. And if you do this once a week, at least, even if you do it once a week, you've got to do it. And you're going to see a difference. And don't go, oh, I don't want to go through that. But what's the choice? Look really good or not look really good? So this is going to make you look good, and it's easy. And it has nothing to do with injectables or fillers or anything. This is natural that you could do at home. And this mask is amazing. Now, another thing you could do, let's say if you had more time, like Lemieux has some great neck masks, which I'm going to put link all this down below, but they have some neck mask. You could put a neck mask on and then leave it on for another 10 or 15 minutes, and that's going to give you a great result. And then also Victoria Deanne has, it's called the Nano Mask, which I love too. I like this on the face, but you know what you could do? You could cut it and do part of it just on the neck if that's where your issue is. And it just makes it so smooth. It has these wonderful, more or less juices in there, and it just makes it feel so smooth. So see, that was easy. At the most it took 20 minutes, or let's say half an hour. Or again, if you're making your coffee, doing your breakfast and everything, you're not really sitting around just waiting for it to happen. That's why I did. I put it on. I went out and watered my lawn and did a couple things and came back in and took it off. So all this is on my website. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email or you could call me on my toll-free number. And I'm just so happy to help you. And again, it's the Ultra Firming Mask. It's got everything you need, the activator, the powder, the brush, the sponge. So it's all here for you. And there's enough for 3 or 4 treatments. And if you're just doing small treatments like this, there's even more. You don't need that much. It takes a little bit. The stuff is very concentrated and just need. I made even too much today, way too much, but it's easy to do. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.